Today's challenging business environment is forcing AEC service providers to be more nimble and efficient without increasing client costs. And while some firms have shied away from investing in new technology to overcome these challenges, Landmark JCM, a civil engineering and environmental services firm, has stayed ahead by embracing change and adopting new technology. Bruce Tees, president for Landmark JCM, explains how the downturn drove innovation in his firm.
More recently, in the downturn in the economy, there's far more pressures for engineering firms to continue to reduce their fees because the competition's gotten stiffer and stiffer. So we have to strike a balance between providing a quality product that represents all the history that we built up in our firm and our reputation, maintain the quality of that product, yet be able to address the issues of being able to do it more efficiently and at a lower cost.
The team at Landmark JCM knew that changing from 2D drafting technology to intelligent 3D model-based design, in this case migrating from AutoCAD Land Desktop to AutoCAD Civil 3D, would give their firm the flexibility and consistency they required to help grow their business.
Now, Land Desktop, it worked well for what we did, but we wanted something more useful for our company as a whole. It seemed that with us, that Land Desktop, it was more toward a single user, and that we had issues with trying to get everybody else sort of on board with that. But when we did Civil 3D, it seemed like everything was just there for us to use, all the tools.
Using AutoCAD Civil 3D helped Landmark JCM adopt a set of common design templates for their firm that incorporate the standards set forth by their clients and agencies, a practice that has greatly improved efficiency and productivity for the business.
Establishing these standards and forcing everyone to follow them ensures a uniform product. It doesn't matter who was working on it. If one person isn't available and we need to plug in another person, we'll be flowing along just like we always have. All the symbols, all the line work, everything will stay the same. When we finally have arrived at a template that reflects what a particular agency wants, we're sure that when we pick up that when we prepare a new drawing, that it's going to follow all the standards for that agency, and we many times have been complimented by the review agencies on the quality of the product that they get from us, with the consistency of it.
AutoCAD Civil 3D also affords Landmark JCM with the ability to make changes on the fly without impacting the overall cost of the project.
Our repeat clients have always appreciated that potential flexibility that we have, and that our designs can be changed as the marketplace changes without any major construction changes on their site.
And despite having some initial concerns about migrating from Land Desktop to Civil 3D, the firm says it has proven to be an easier task than they thought and a decision they made without any regrets.
I don't believe that Land Desktop is any easier. I believe it's just the functionality that they've been doing it forever. And they believe, all right, I've been doing this, it's easier. Civil 3D is complicated, and I do not want to learn it. But in reality, Civil 3D, it's really not that complicated. If you could do it in LDD, you could do it in Civil 3D, but I believe you can do it in Civil 3D easier.
To learn more about migrating from AutoCAD Land Desktop to AutoCAD Civil 3D, contact your authorized Autodesk reseller today.